How to set up a guest user account on Mac. So if someone needs to borrow your Mac temporarily, the guest user account lets them use it without accessing any of your files. So all you're gonna have to do is to open your system settings. You can click on the Apple logo in left upper corner area and here go to system settings. Now scroll down the left bar and find users and groups. You will see here a guest user option in the list. We want to click on this little info icon and you have to allow guests to log into your computer, so turn on this option. Make sure to enter your password, your admin's password, and that's it. Now when someone opens your Mac, they can select guest from the login screen and get a completely separately session. When they log out, everything they did is automatically deleted. The next guest starts completely fresh. Also keep in mind, if you have Find My Mac enabled, guest users can still use Safari. This is intentional because it helps locate a stolen Mac even when someone else is using it. So for example, if someone is using it in a guest user, it can be still found when the Find My Mac is turned on. So that's all you have to know. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe and see you next time.